Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Today is 27th of April 2021. Okay, so this week we will be talking about win number 17. All right, as you can see from the screen, okay, we have a lot of like policy statement will be coming out, especially like today and tomorrow we have it as well. And of course, the most important things or most important item going to be on this Thursday in the early in the morning or rather late Wednesday night as far as Singapore time is concerned. So we will be having this Fed rate decision, interest rate decision will be coming up. So we have quite a lot of item to go through as far as to this week is concerned. Okay, so as usual, let's do the analysis together. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm not going to go through all of them because not all of them need our special attention. I'll be going through certain items that I think you can have a good trading opportunity. Okay. First of all, yeah, I would like to go through the first ever data that we normally go through every week. All right, as you can see, this is the total asset held by the U.S. Federal Reserve Bank. Okay, as you can see there, look at the data, right? It is stay on the all-time high condition. All right, it was up from 7.793. Now basically we are at $7.82 trillion. So put it this way, we still have so much liquidity in the market at this moment. All right, so I do not really think we will be having like a structural sell down or stuff coming in the near future, because put it this way, there's still liquidity, so much liquidity in the market. So any pullback in the market, especially in the stock market, right, I expect they're gonna ride back up. All right, so I don't see anything risk off to be sort of like worry about at this moment. So I think the markets overall in general, I think going to go a lot higher for now. So since we are talking about risk on, right? So I think there is a few good trade setup that you may want to consider. All right, risk on basically is mean like those risk assets will rise higher, right? And you can say like US dollar might go lower, right? Risk on, this is what the risk on is roughly about. So we were expecting gold to rise higher, and of course it didn't go up immediately for sure, as everything uh, as every other instrument, it didn't go up immediately. So we are seeing, especially like gold, I think it's going to eventually will go a lot higher. And I think this is going to be one of the very interesting instrument to be to be in for 2021, because I'm expecting, because for gold and silver especially, I think they have been down for quite a while now, right? Because they are not like all-time high or this kind of stuff, so they have more room to go up to. So I expect this guy will perform better. All right, I expect this guy will perform better. So gold should be, as a trader, I think it's better to be more on the long side than the short side, in my opinion. All right, silver also roughly the same. All right, of course, there will be along the way, there will be up and down, but I think eventually they will go up a lot higher. It's just that, don't go and chase the market when they are too hype up only. Do you remember last around like two months ago, right? Remember there was a GameStop issue that people, all of a sudden people were talking that, silver was also one of the most manipulated item, and people were really chasing at the time. So most likely, whoever chased that time, most likely they might be get trapped until now, right? Because it will happen in last February. So of course, the price will go back to that level sooner or later, but it's better to be like we slow down and you just wait for a price to go in, as far as the as price to go in, whenever the price make a pullback, because we have to buy low and sell high kind of like condition here, not like buy high and trap at high side. But anyway, I think it should go up higher and higher again. So I think it is better to be on the long side as well. Okay, so gold and silver, I foresee that it should go up a lot higher eventually. Not today, not tomorrow. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that eventually in the, like, for example, like weekly or monthly manners. All right. And in terms of other than that, okay, there's something that I think a lot of people overlook. I would like to talk about a soft commodity. Soft commodity are really, really rising. Okay, so I think gonna go a lot higher, just like what happened in the Bitcoin and stuff like that. I think they are there for a good play, in my opinion. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, please take a look at the soft commodity. All right, doesn't have to be like wheat, can be like corn or can be soybean as well. But I think as far as soft commodity is concerned, I think it's gonna go a lot higher. Okay, so I think it's time for you to take a look at soft commodity as well. Okay, so well, another one is in Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, we have a good rundown recently. I kind of, I kind of expect that, like, for example, the levels such as like 48K, and another one is around 34K and 30K. All right, these are the good entry level. So, but the problem is, of course, it may never come back down to that region as well. But anyway, Bitcoin overall is still a bullish scenario. So you can like either like wait it out and buy, or just outright buy it along the way. But of course, by buying at the high price, of course you are paying consider like a high premium for chasing the market as well. Like I said, as long as Bitcoin doesn't really go below 30K or so, I think it's still a buy in my opinion. All right, it may look a little bit congested or too heat up already, but nobody knows, the sky is the limit, right? So anyway, overall, I expect we are stay pretty much on the risk on period. The market should go a lot higher, like a dollar should go lower at this moment because of a lot of risk on, a lot of money printing going on, especially from the US point of view. Okay, so I just want to give a quick recap what I have just said. So we are stay on the risk on. If there's any changes, okay, of course I will update you guys again. So we are stay on the risk on first, risk on. Second is, of course, you may want to take a look at gold and silver on the buy side, and as well as take a look on the soft commodity that you should be paying attention to as well. Okay, so if there's any changes or any update that I would like to make, of course, I will make a video again, and hopefully I will try to make as regular as possible. Okay, I will try my best. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up. If you can subscribe my channel, and of course, that would be nice if you share my video as well. Thank you guys. Bye for now.